welcome back to the channel. Today you can see behind me we've got something a little bit different. We've got a Lamborghini Aventador S in. Now this customer is a repeat customer to Awesome. He has been to us before with his Audi R8. Today we're going to be fitting an exhaust system. He's putting a Capristo exhaust on this one. We will do your before and after sounds so you know the comparison and you can see for yourself. As you can see, the techs have got the old system off. I'm now sat here with the new system. It looks amazing, as you can see. The next thing to do is get it fitted and then we can listen to it. As you can see, the car is all back together. It's off the ramp and there's only one thing left. I know you've all been waiting for it. Let's fire it up and hear it. As you've all just heard, this thing sounds insane. Now, if you want to drop a comment below and let us know what you think about it, for some people it might be too much, for some people it's not enough. This gentleman supplied his own Capristo exhaust. It's not one that we normally supply, however we are able to fit it. This actual customer as well has chosen an option to have the valves open all the time. He likes the noise, he likes the sound. So if you've got an exhaust that needs fitting or you need us to fit one or supply and fit one, don't hesitate to get in touch, whether it be on our website or whether, like I said earlier, that you want us to supply your own specific one, then please contact us either via social media channels or just give us a call or even pop in and see the facility. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next video.